एडवांस मैथमेटिक्स का बिहार बोर्ड का जो सेंटअप एग्जामिनेशन का जो पीडीएफ है वो क्वेश्चन नंबर टिल 90 तक मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया था। अभी रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस जो है 90 से अबव क्वेश्चंस जो है उसको मैं सॉल्व करने के लिए जा रही हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम अबव 90। सो 90 से अबव वाले जितने क्वेश्चंस हैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं सॉल्व करने जा रही हूँ। क्वेश्चन नंबर टिल 90 मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर स्टिल क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 ओवर हो चुका था ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 क्या बता रहा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 दे आर आस्किंग दैट कि हियर cot थीटा प्लस sin 2 थीटा विल बी एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू व्हाट। सो वी आर एग्जैक्टली गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट। आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 91 ऑल्सो मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया था, मगर एक बार और सॉल्व कर देती हूँ। इट विल बिकम cos थीटा बाई sin थीटा ओके इंटू 2 sin थीटा इंटू cos थीटा। सो cos थीटा एंड cos थीटा विल गेट कैंसल्ड ओके। Cos theta 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta is coming. So here cos theta by sin theta, so sin theta will get cancelled. Here cos theta will be there, so here it is coming as 2 cos square theta. So 2 cos square theta is what? 2 cos square theta minus 1, so it will become 1 plus, because we know that cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this one will shift that side. So answer B will become the correct answer for this. Next question is secant 3 theta equal to cosecant 2 theta. So first, shall we convert this into 1 by cos 3 theta equal to 1 by sin 2 theta. So cross multiply, it will become sin 2 theta equal to cos 3 theta. So now if we want to convert it, so sin 2 theta cos 3 theta will become sin 90 minus 3 theta, because sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, so sin will get cancelled. 2 theta equal to 90 minus 3 theta. Shift this one, so 5 theta equal to 90 degree. So this one if you will cancel, 5 ones are 5, 18 degree will be coming. So answer A will become the correct answer there. Okay, answer A will become the correct answer. Shall we go for question number 93? 93 what they are telling, that if theta value lies between 0 to 180 degree, means greater than 0 but less than 180 degree. So less than or equal to 180 degree, then cos theta will be equal to minus 1 by root 2. So 45 cos 45 is exactly going to be coming as this. But here the value should be exactly cos 145. 45 plus 90 will be 135. So 135 only will be giving you cos of 135 degree is nothing but cos of 180 minus 45 degree. And it is exactly going to give you minus cos 45 degree minus cos 45 degree, and it will be giving you minus 1 by root 2. So answer will be C. C will become the correct answer for this. Now shall we go for the next question? One formula is there. That formula is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin 3 theta. Okay. So here instead of theta what is given? Pi by 12. So here this one will become sin 3 into pi by 12. The moment you will cancel this, it will become sin pi by 4. And you know that sin pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by root 2. So A will become the answer for this. Now shall we go for the next question here? Here the question given to you is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Again question, you know that cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but cos 2 theta. So here instead of theta what is there? Pi by 4. So this one will become cos 2 into pi by 4. So it is exactly going to come as cos pi by 2. And cos pi by 2 value is coming as 0. Okay. Now they are asking that the point 0, 8 lies in first quadrant, second quadrant, on x-axis, on y-axis. So when we will be drawing this part, so 0, 8. So x will be 0, y will be exactly coming as 8. It will not be lying on first quadrant, not will be lying on the second quadrant. It is not lying on x-axis also. This is x-axis. It is not lying on x-axis. It is exactly lying on y-axis. It is present where? It is exactly present in y-axis. So D will become the correct answer for this. Shall we go for question number 97? In question number 97, what they are telling that cosecant A equal to 2 and exactly cosecant A equal to 2 where A lies between 0 to pi. Then the value of A will be, what can be the value of A? So A, what can be the value of A? Angle A can be what? So we know that cosecant is exactly between 0 to 180 degree, first and second quadrant, both places cosecant will be positive, and we know that cosecant 30 degree, cosecant 30 degree is 2. Cosecant 30 degree is 2. Okay, so cosecant 30 degree will be 2. So cosecant 30 and 150 both will be giving you positive 2 value. So answer will be B. Answer will be B. Now 98th question, sin theta plus cosecant theta equal to 3. Then what will be sin square theta, cosecant square theta? Do nothing, just square both sides. The moment you will square it, it will become sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta, and that part will be equal to 3 3s are 9. So this cosecant and sin, so sin square theta plus cosecant square theta, sin square theta plus cosecant square theta, that is sin square theta plus cosecant square theta will, here this one will cancel. 2 sin theta into cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. It will cancel, so only 2 will come. So 9 minus 2 will come, it is coming as 7. So option 3 will become the correct answer. Option 3, that is 7, will become the correct answer. 99th question, what they are telling there is, they are telling that if cot theta is sin to theta and theta lies between 0 to greater than, so cot theta equal to sin to theta. So how to convert sin to theta? So cot theta equal to sin to theta. When this part will be coming as, then at that particular moment what else we can do? So first we can write it as cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. So now this side cos theta got cancelled. So now 1 equal to 2 sin square theta. Okay, so 1 minus 2 sin square theta is coming as 0. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta is coming as 0, is cos 2 theta is equal to 0. So cos 2 theta equal to 0. So cos 2 theta will be coming 0 for which values? Cos 2 theta will be coming 0 for which values? So first cos 2 theta is coming 0 and by general solution will be coming. So here cos of 0 is coming at cos 90. So here cos 90 will be there, that is cos 90. So here 2 theta is coming as 90. So theta will be coming as 45 degree. So either for 45 degree or 120 degree. Either for 45 degree or 120 degree. So here 45 degree or 135 degree. 45 degree or 135 degree, this value will be coming. Okay. So B will be the answer. Now here, now that means last question is also, this is question number, this question is 100th question. The radius of a circle is, 10 centimeter. Then the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc of length 15 centimeter. So L is exactly given as 15 centimeter. Radius is given as 10 centimeter. We know that theta is equal to L by R. So that is L by R 15 by 10. So it is exactly going to be 3 by 2. So now this is in radian system. 3 by 2 radian system is coming. So 3 by 2 is 1.5 radian system. 1.5 radian system. So answer will be B. Okay. So now we will be going for question where exactly convert pi by 4 radian into degree. Simple concept is there, how to convert pi by 4 into radian. So we know that pi radian equal to 180 degree. Now 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi. So now they are saying that pi by 4 radian you convert. So pi by 4 into 180 by pi will come. So this and this will get cancelled. So now what it is exactly going to come? Radian, we have to convert it into degree. So 180 by 4. So now 4 4s are 16. 4 5s, so 45 degrees. So it is exactly going to come as 45 degree. So 45 degree we got the answer. Now here find the value of this one. So what you have to do, you have to substitute that part. So once you will be substituting it, sine cos square 45 degrees. So first part, this one, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Now 1 by root 2 square is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2, first part over. Second, sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2 plus cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is 1 minus tan 45 degree is 1. So now this and this will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will become 1 minus 1. So answer will be coming as 1. So here answer, overall answer is exactly going to come as 1. Now यदि a plus b plus c equal to pi is there, तो सिद्ध करें, this part is coming as 0. Nothing else you have to do. Cot a, leave it as it is, plus cot, you know that a plus b plus c equal to pi, then b plus c will be also written as pi minus a. So here you just write cot pi minus a. So LHS side only you take and write, LHS side only you take and write. Now cot a will be as it is, but cot of 180 minus theta is minus cot a. So it is exactly going to cancel and it will become equal to 0. So it is proved and that part equal to RHS. That part is exactly equal to RHS. So this section is coming as 0, proved. So now 0 they have told, we have proved this part. We have proved this part. Now question number 5. So once you will be solving question number 5. Question number 5 says that cos of 45 plus a, this much equal to 0 you have to prove. So LHS side you take. So cos 45 into cos a, because cos of a plus b formula is cos of a into cos of b minus sine of a into sine of b. Okay, so we will write minus sine 45 degree into sine a. Now here sine a minus this, so this formula will be sine a into cos 45 degree minus cos a into sine 45 degree. So we know that 45 for all it is 1 by root 2. So cos a by root 2 minus sine a by root 2 plus sine a by root 2 minus cos a by root 2. So this all got cancelled. So it is coming as 0. So that is RHS. Okay. Now next part, what question they are giving you, that a plus b plus c equal to pi, then tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to this much part has to be there. So just do one thing. You just write there as a plus b equal to pi minus c. Okay, and apply tan on both sides. Then here it will become tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b, and here tan of 180 minus c will become minus tan c. Okay, so now this one you shift that side, it will become tan a plus tan b. This one will multiply, it will become minus tan c, and this will multiply, it will become plus tan a into tan b into tan c. Now you shift this one that side, it will become tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Proved. Nothing was there, only one thing we did, a plus b equal to pi minus this, and apply tan on both sides. Solve the question. Over. Now question number 7, what they are telling that if sine a is 3 by 5, sine b is 4 by 5, then what will be tan a minus b? So just when you will be getting this sine a, just remember this, sine a is nothing but a part is there. So a is 3 by 5. So this is 3, this is 5. So this part will become 25 minus 9, that is 4. That is 16. Root under 16, that is equal to 4. So tan a will be equal to 3 by 4. So we got tan value. Now next, sine b is there. So sine, this b part is there. It is coming as 4 by 5. So this is exactly 4 and 5 is there. So now 25 minus 16 is there. So 9 means 3. So tan B is coming as 4 by 3. So now they're telling that find tan A minus B. So tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 by 1 plus 3 by 4 into 4 by 3. Cancel, cancel, cancel. So 9 minus 16 by 12 by 2. So here 9 minus 16 will be exactly equal to 7 minus 7 by 12 into 1 by 2. So minus 7 by 24. So minus 7 by 24, tan A minus B will be equal to minus 7 by 24. Answer is exactly going to come for this question. Now next question is they are telling that you have to prove that question number 9, 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. So we know that 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 2 and square this cancel. So it is coming as sin theta by cos theta and that is coming as tan theta. Proved. Very simple. 1 minus cos 2 theta by formula directly becomes, because we know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So directly you can use this formula and it will be solved in no time. Now here cos A equal to 1 by 3. They are telling that find cos 3A. So now we know that cos 3A formula is 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So now cos A value is 1 by 3. So 4 into 1 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into 1 by 3. Cancel. So 4, 3 9 27 minus 1. So 4 minus 27 by 27. So minus 23 by 27. Minus 23 by 27, we got question number 10 answer also. So now what they are telling that what will be the value of tan 15 degree. So how to get the value of tan 15 degree? Tan 15 degree can also be written as tan 45 degree minus 30 degree. So it will be coming as tan 45 degree minus tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. So tan 45 is 1 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3. So it will become root 3 minus 1 by root 3, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So root 3 cancel, it is coming as root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. If you will rationalize it, it will become root 3 minus 1 whole square by 3 minus 1. So it is coming as 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 if you will take common, it will 4 minus 2 means 2 minus root 3 by 2. So answer will be coming as 2 minus root 3. So this answer will be coming as 2 minus root 3 after solving. Now next question is question number 12. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining this. So 2 points are there. The points are 13 comma minus 2 and here minus 1 comma 6 is there. Now they are asking that what will be the midpoint here, x and y. So you know x will be equal to 13 minus 1 by 2, that is 12 by 2, that is exactly 6. So x is coming here 6, y is exactly equal to minus 2 plus 6 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is coming as 2. So here the coordinate point is coming as 6 comma 2. Okay, the coordinate point is exactly going to come as 6 comma 2. Now question number 13 they are telling to prove. What is question number 13? Question number 13 is, you know that cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So what will be cos a? Cos a will be 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1. Okay. So that means 1 minus cos a, 1 plus cos a is 2 cos square a by 2. Then 1 minus cos a will be 2 sin square a by 2. Okay. So here what is given to you? 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. So 1 minus cos a formula is 2 sin square a by 2 and 1 minus 1 plus cos a is 2 cos square a by 2. इन दोनों को कैंसिल कर दो tan square a by 2 coming, and that is what you had to prove over. Now what they are telling, that question number 14, find the distance of the point 6, 6 from the origin. 6, 6 from the origin. Distance of the point 6, 6 from the origin. So origin is 0, 0 and distance is 6, 6. So distance we have to find. So root under 6 square plus 6 square is going to be the distance between OA. So OA distance will be equal to, so 36 plus 36. So 36 means 6 root 2 centimeter. 6 root 2 unit will be coming. So 6 root 2 units will be coming distance. Because 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 is 2 into 36. So root 2 will be there inside, 6 will come out. Okay, now you have to solve this number, question number 15. In question number 15, what they are telling, that they are saying that sin c plus sin d formula, that will do afterwards. So here this problem they are saying that you have to prove this equal to, so cos a by 1 minus sin a plus cos a by 1 plus sin a. If you will solve this one, LHS, you have to make it equal to RHS. Cross multiply this one, it will become cos a 1 minus sin a plus cos a 1 plus sin a by, it will become 1 minus sin square a. So now look here, this part will be coming as cos a minus sin a into cos a, and here plus cos a plus sin a into cos a. 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. This and this got cancelled. 2 cos a by cos square a. So this got cancelled. So 2 secant a. So answer is coming as 2 secant a. That is what we had to prove. Now next question is sin c plus sin d formula. If we will go with this, they want us to prove it is equal to root 6 by 2. Let's see. It is coming in the formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So this formula, let's see. Here 75 and 15 is there. So 2 sin 75 plus 15 degree by 2 into cos 75 minus 15 degree by 2. So 2, here it is coming as 90 degree. 90 means sin 45 degree. Okay, into cos, here 60 means 30 degree. So now it will come 2 into 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. So exactly it is coming as root 3 by root 2. If you will rationalize it, it will become root 6 by 2. Okay, this is what you have to prove, root 6 by 2. Question number 17. What was question number 17 is, if theta equal to 45 degree, तो tan sin theta plus cos theta का मान ज्ञात करें. So if theta equal to 45 degree, then sin 45 degree plus cos 45 degree plus tan 45 degree will be exactly equal to what? Okay, I think this is the question only. So sin 45, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. So it is exactly 2 by root 2 plus 1. So 2 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2 plus 1. So 2 root 2 by 2 plus 1. So cancel. So it is coming as root 2 plus 1. Okay, it is coming as root 2 plus 1. If two angles of a triangle are pi by 6 and 18 degree, then find the third angle in degree. So first you convert this radian into degree. So pi by 6 is nothing but it is coming as 30 degree. So first angle is triangle. Two angles are given as 30 degree and 80 degree. Then what will be the another angle? 70 degree. Because sum of the two angles are 30 degree plus 80 degree plus x equal to sum of angles of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of angles of triangle is exactly 180 degree. So x will be equal to 180 minus 110. So it is exactly going to come as 70 degree. That's it. So the third angle will be coming as 70 degree. Now they are telling that sin x is 3 by 5, cos y is 12 by 13, then sin x by... So here one simple thing is there, always I am telling you one simple part is there, x is there, That means x part is there. So here 3 is there and 5 is there. So this part will become 4 by Pythagorean triplet, because 25 minus 9 root under is going to give you root 16. Root 16 will give you 4. So if sin x is 3 by 5, cos x is 4 by 5. Okay. Now cos y is exactly given as, here it is 12 and here it is 13. So this part will become 169 minus 144, that is root under 25, and that is equal to 5. So sin y will be exactly 5 by root under 13. Now what they are telling it, you have to find sin x plus y. It will become sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So all values are needed. Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos y is 12 by 13. Plus cos x is 4 by 5. Sin y is 5 by 13. So this will get cancelled. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 36. 36 by 65 plus, we will keep it, we will not cancel it, plus 20 by 65. So it is exactly going to 56 by 65. 56 by 65 will be coming as sin of x plus y. Okay, so now we will be going for the next question. They are telling that cos 7x plus cos 5x by this part is coming. So we know the formula. Cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Denominator sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. First so this and this and this and this will get cancelled. It is going to come as cos 2x by 2 by sin 7 minus 5 is 2x by 2. This cancels, so it is coming as cos x by sin x. So it is going to come as cot x. So that is what it is equal to, cot x is there. So question number 21, how many questions are there? Wow. So we reached question number 21 very fast. Question number 21, what they are telling that, find the equation of the straight line which makes an angle of 45 degree with the x-axis and cuts the y-intercept at a distance of 5 from the origin. So c-intercept is given as, that means c is given as 5 and slope is given as tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree means 1. So y will be equal to 1 into x plus 5. So equation will be y equal to x plus 5. So this question number 21 also over. Okay, so now we will be going for question number 22 to remaining question in the next video.